Hello, today we will guide you through how to enter credit card refund in QuickBooks. In this walkthrough, we're recording a refund you receive back to a credit card, such as when a vendor reverses a charge or issues a return. We'll use QuickBooks Online's credit card credit form to make sure the refund reduces the correct card balance and hits the right accounts. Begin on the Invoices page. We're starting here simply because it gives quick access to the Create button. At the top left, hover over the Create option to open the full list of transaction types. From that menu, choose Credit Card Credit. This is important. Don't use a vendor credit or bank deposit for this scenario. The credit card credit form is specifically designed to put money back onto a credit card and post it correctly. In the Payee field, select the vendor who issued the refund. Matching the original vendor helps your reports stay clean and makes it easier to track history for that supplier. Next, choose the bank credit account. Pick the actual credit card account that received the refund, not your checking account. If you choose the wrong account here, your credit card balance and reconciliation will be off. Enter the ref num, if you have one from the vendor's credit memo or your statement. While optional, a reference makes future lookups simpler. Now, set the category. Use the same expense or asset account you used on the original purchase. For example, if the original charge went to office supplies, categorize the refund to office supplies to properly reverse that cost. This keeps your profit and loss accurate. Add a clear description such as the item returned or the reason for the credit. Good notes help anyone reviewing the file understand what happened without digging through emails. In the amount field, type the total refunded, enter it as a positive number. The form will handle the accounting direction for you. Double check the transaction date so it matches the date the refund hit your credit card. If the original purchase was tied to a specific customer or project, select that customer here to maintain job costing detail. Only mark it as billable if that matches your workflow, otherwise leave it unmarked to avoid unintended invoices. When everything looks right, payee, credit card account, category, description, amount, and any customer association, select Save and Close. Your refund is now recorded, it reduces the balance on the selected credit card, and it will appear properly on your register and reports. That's it. You've successfully entered a credit card refund in QuickBooks.